So certain people annoy me.
Yeah.
Just like being around certain people. And it could just be like the day where I'm, say, like in the gym working out and someone will walk by me and I'm like, oh, don't talk to me, don't talk to me. Or they're doing something and it's just annoying.
Yeah.
I'm like, why is that happening? Why am I feeling like that? Because I love people. I like being around people.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes it might just be that you don't want them to break your flow at the gym, right? You can again go back to that same probing question, right? What must I believe is true to feel annoyed? Or I feel annoyed because, and just see what comes up.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. But it's good that you acknowledge that those emotions are there. So a lot of people will try to like be neutral to those emotions or block them out or not recognize them. But it's important to remember that those emotions are the indicators to the perspectives that we want to shift, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, anytime you feel a negative emotion, that's an indicator that you're practicing a perspective that's not serving for you. And that negative emotion is an indicator that you have a perspective that if you can identify and shift it, you're going to raise your vibration and become more of a vibrational match to more of the things that you want.
Yeah, absolutely. And I feel like that is what I try and do whenever I feel something that doesn't feel right. I'm like, okay, why do I feel like that? And sometimes I do try and just push it away because I don't want to like marinate in those feelings.
Totally. And you're right. You definitely don't want to marinate in them. But if it's something you notice that keeps coming up, that's when you want to sit down and say, okay, so this emotion of unworthiness keeps coming up, then that means there's a perspective there that I keep practicing that I'm going to want to let go of.
Okay. Okay, great. Makes sense.
Awesome. That's
I
it
got
for
another
today.
one for you. If
You
you're
got one
game.
more? Yeah, let's finish off with one more. Keep going.
Okay. So sometimes I'll feel fear around certain situations that I know are going to present themselves, or like uncertainty. And it could be having a conversation with somebody, a client, a friend, a family member, raising prices.
Yeah.
It's like fear of uncertainty.
Yeah. So fear of the unknown, is that the same thing as fear of the of uncertainty?
Yeah, I think so. And maybe it's more so fear of it's not going to go the way that I want it to.
Okay. So if it doesn't go the way you want it to, what's the worst thing that could happen?
It's just a not great conversation, or it just doesn't go the way that I want to.
And would you agree that things in the past sometimes have gone not the way you want it to?
Absolutely.
And you're still sitting here today?
Yes, I am.
And you're still rocking it down in Florida, wherever you're rocking it?
Yeah.
Awesome. You've always made it to the other side of whatever challenges come out, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So knowing that your inner being is always there, providing that guidance and solutions to all the problems and all the things, is really anything to worry about?
No.
No.
Because whatever happens is supposed to happen. Right?
Absolutely. Even it's Abe says, it's not the path of no resistance, it's the path of least resistance. All of these pieces of contrast are meant to help us grow and expand and gain new awareness and shift our vibration so we're a better match to the things that we really want. So even though contrast is often uncomfortable, it's not a bad thing. And the more we can be okay with contrast showing up and not push against it, the quicker we're going to move through it.
Okay. And I guess sometimes I forget about the contrast.
Oh, I know we all do. We all do. And that's why using the term fertilizer is so good in the collective, right? Is literally it's fertilizer. It's there for your growth.
Yeah. Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay. Awesome.
Awesome. Great set of questions, Danielle.
Thanks, Nick. That was fun.
Good. Thanks for playing with me.
Of course.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye.